Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with a Verizon router where the globe light is blinking white, you're not alone. This issue can be frustrating, as it often signals a problem with your internet connection or the router itself. In this video, we'll walk through simple, step-by-step fixes to get your router back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First off, what does that blinking white light mean? Typically, it indicates that your router is trying to establish a connection but isn't succeeding. It could be due to a temporary glitch, loose cables, or even a firmware issue. The good news is, most of these problems can be resolved at home without needing a technician. Step 1. Start with a basic restart. Unplug your Verizon router from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple reset often clears minor software hiccups and might stop the blinking light. Give it a minute to reboot and check if the light turns solid. If that doesn't work, move to step 2. Check all your connections. Ensure that the Ethernet cables are securely plugged into both the router and your modem or wall outlet. Sometimes, a loose cable is the culprit. Also, verify that your modem is powered on and functioning properly. Next, for step 3, let's update the firmware. Log into your Verizon router's admin page by typing the default IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, into your web browser. Enter your username and password, then navigate to the Settings or Maintenance section to check for and install any available firmware updates. This can fix bugs causing the blinking light. If you're still seeing the issue, try step 4, a factory reset. This will erase all custom settings, so use it as a last resort. Press and hold the reset button on the back of your router for about 15 to 20 seconds until the lights flash. Then, set it up again from scratch. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it's time to contact Verizon support. They can check for service outages or send a replacement if needed. Remember, tech issues like this are common, and with a little troubleshooting, you'll be back online in no time. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.